This opponent never learns. I played a rank game trying out the Hero Wizard, and this is what I faced, guys. A giant miner deck. So I'm gonna fast forward a little. So here, he used the giant witch combination, and I want to see how good the Hero Wizard is, and he put the miner there. So I think he doesn't know the ability, so he did that. So the miner targeted the tower. Next, I counter push with the giant. Use vines on the dark goblin. Ends up the goblin gang. So let's fast forward a little again. So here, he made another giant witch. So I was expecting he's gonna use the miner. So I used the ability instantly. And sorry for the BM, guys, because I already did that once, but he still placed the miner there again without learning from the past encounter or interaction. So he zapped the Sparky so that he can kill my Sparky with the mini P.E.K.K.A. But his tower's already low, so I use minions. I zap because he might use the ability. So here, he's planning another witch giant push. So I placed the wizard on the left side, thinking that he won't miner, but he still miner, guys. And look how OP the tornado is. Yeah. But my wizard still died. But I was able to shut down his push. So I can counter push again. And use my Evo Zap on the Dark Goblin. So 25 seconds left. Minions gonna finish the tower. So we just zap the King Tower, which tells me that he surrendered already. So what did we learn this video, guys? If you know that your opponent is gonna do something, do not redo the same mistake. Do not do it again, guys, because if your opponent did it once, he might do it again. So he continually puts miner on my wizard, knowing that my wizard has the ability to fly. So that's one of the advantages of Hero Wizard. So that's it, guys. I'm just gonna share this. It's pretty funny, guys, that I was able to dodge the miner 3 times. He consecutively did that, knowing that I'm gonna outplay the miner. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.